Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching Tech White. So in this video, I will show you how to fix if your screen is stuck or freeze on the welcome page or a login page. So let's start. First, you have to press Alt, Control and Delete key together. Now you have to press and hold the Shift key. Press and hold your Shift key and then restart your PC. To open the Advanced Recovery mode. Here you can see this is the advanced recovery mode. If you are unable to open your advanced recovery mode, I will put a video link in description box. So let's start. First go to troubleshoot option. Then you have to choose this option, startup settings. Click on it. Then click on restart. With the help of this, you are able to open your system in safe mode. So now press F5 key to open your system in safe mode. And here you can see the system is opening in safe mode. So if you recently installed any software or any game on your system, and after that you are getting this issue of stuck and freeze issue in welcome screen, first you need to uninstall that software or game first. So if you want to install any software and game, go to control panel, then go to program and feature, and here you can see the list of software I have. You can filter it by date wise as well. So if you recently installed any software or game on your PC and after that you are getting this issue, first you need to uninstall that software. Or if you recently install any update and after that you are getting this issue, now go to view installed updates, and here you can see all the updates. You can uninstall it. You can filter it by date wise. So if you recently install any update and after that you are getting this issue, you can easily uninstall your update from here. Just right click on it and choose uninstall. So this is your first step. If you recently install any software, game or update, Windows update, and after that you are getting this issue, first you need to uninstall that software. So now go to the Windows icon, then type CMD. To open your command prompt, right click on it, then click on run as administrator. Now you have to type a command, sfc /scan now, then press enter. It will help you to repair or replace all your Windows corrupted files. So it will take around 10 to 15 minutes to complete. The process has been started. I will fast forward this video. Now you can see the process has been completed now and found corrupted files and successfully repaired. Okay, now you have to type exit and now restart your PC normally.